What if I told you there is a 1400-year-old secret that explains why one culture consistently builds more wealth than almost any other? It is not about chasing the latest stock tip, not about navigating the volatile world of crypto, and it certainly has nothing to do with a fancy finance degree. It is a simple shift in perspective, a rule so profound yet so practical that it has survived for centuries, helping ordinary people build extraordinary futures, often from very humble beginnings. This is not just a financial trick, it is a philosophy, a way of seeing your money that can fundamentally change your relationship with it. We live in a world that constantly bombards us with messages to want more, buy more, and strive for an elusive ideal life. We track our spending with sophisticated apps, we create elaborate budgets that often fall apart within weeks, and we're left wondering why, at the end of the month, despite all our efforts, there is often nothing left to show for it. We have become experts at meticulously tracking every dollar we spend, but ironically, we remain amateurs at tracking what we actually keep. And therein lies the fundamental, often overlooked flaw in how many of us approach personal finance today. But what if the secret to financial peace and prosperity was not hidden in the latest financial technology or a complex investment strategy, but in an ancient ledger? Imagine a system developed during the illustrious Tang Dynasty in China that was so remarkably simple, yet so incredibly powerful that it became the bedrock of financial management for countless individuals and families for centuries. This is not just a historical anecdote, it is a living, breathing principle. It is called the four-column accounting method, or in its original Chinese, Sizhujiesuanfa. This method is not merely about crunching numbers, it is about cultivating a profound sense of financial awareness. It is about seeing the complete story of your money, understanding its journey, rather than just passively observing individual transactions. Let me break down how this timeless method works. For a moment, set aside any preconceived notions you have about complicated spreadsheets, confusing financial software, or intimidating accounting terms. All you need to do is picture four simple columns. That's right, just four columns, and they hold the potential to fundamentally transform your financial life, giving you clarity and control you might never have experienced before. Column 1 is your old balance. This is your starting point. It is the total amount of money you had at the very beginning of a specific period, let us say the first day of the month. Think of it as your financial ground zero, the foundation upon which everything else will be built. It is a clear, undeniable snapshot of where you stand before any new money comes in or goes out. Column 2 is your new receipts. This column captures every single penny that flows into your life during that period. This includes your regular salary, any income from a side hustle, that freelance payment you've been waiting for, even the $10 your friend finally paid you back from that lunch last week. It's a comprehensive record of all your incoming funds, leaving no stone unturned. Column 3 is your disbursements. This is where you meticulously record everything that goes out: your monthly rent or mortgage payment, your grocery bills, that impulsive late-night pizza order, your utility bills, transportation costs, and even that small subscription you forgot you had. Every single dollar, no matter how small, is accounted for here. This column forces you to confront where your money is truly going. And then we arrive at column 4, arguably the most crucial column of them all, your actual balance. This is the real-time reflection of your financial standing. It is what you have left right now after all the ins and outs. The formula is elegantly simple. Take your old balance, add your new receipts, then subtract your disbursements. The result is your actual balance. It is a straightforward equation, but its implications are profound. Now, I can almost hear some of you thinking, that is it? That is the big secret? Just 4 columns and a simple math equation? And my answer is both yes and no. The true magic, the transformative power of this ancient method is not solely in the mathematical calculation itself. It is in the profound shift in mindset it cultivates. When you diligently track your money using these 4 columns, and then at the end of the month, you compare your actual balance to your old balance from the beginning, you are compelled to confront a powerful, undeniable truth: the immediate, tangible impact of every single financial choice you have made. You do not just vaguely observe that you spent money, you gain crystal-clear insight into precisely how much wealth you either built or perhaps inadvertently diminished during that period. This system is not designed to be a tool of harsh restriction or self-deprivation. Instead, it is a powerful catalyst for radical awareness. It is not about inducing guilt every time you decide to treat yourself to a coffee or a small indulgence. Rather, it is about fostering a deep, intuitive understanding of the fundamental trade-offs inherent in every financial decision. Every dollar you choose to spend today is by definition a dollar you cannot save, invest, or allocate toward your future goals. This method does not just tell you this, it makes that trade-off painfully, beautifully, and undeniably clear, allowing you to make conscious, informed choices about your money. This ancient financial wisdom is beautifully complemented by a deeply ingrained cultural mindset of extreme frugality, often encapsulated in what some refer to as the 10-to-1 rule. The core idea behind this principle is to prioritize saving a truly significant portion of your income, often far exceeding the conventional 10 or 15% that is commonly advised in Western financial planning. While the literal act of saving 90% of your income might seem unrealistic or even impossible for the vast majority of us in our current economic realities, the underlying principle is what truly matters. It is about fundamentally shifting your perspective so that saving becomes the absolute priority, not merely an afterthought or what is left over after all other expenses. It is about adopting the powerful habit of paying your future self first, with the same unwavering discipline and commitment that you apply to paying your most essential bills and obligations. Think about the long-term implications of this mindset. If you consistently prioritize saving, even if it's not 90%, but a significant 30, 40, or even 50% of your income, the compounding effect over years and decades becomes truly astonishing. This is not just about accumulating a large sum of money. It is about building a robust financial fortress that provides security, freedom, and countless opportunities. It is about creating a buffer against unexpected challenges, enabling you to pursue your dreams, and ultimately leaving a lasting legacy. Wealth, in its truest sense, is not merely about possessing a vast sum of money or an impressive portfolio. It is about achieving a profound sense of peace of mind, knowing that you are financially secure and prepared for whatever life throws your way. It is about having genuine options and choices, the freedom to pursue passions, to spend time with loved ones, or to take calculated risks without crippling fear. Most importantly, it is about understanding that you are actively building a solid foundation for your own future, and crucially, for the future of those you cherish and love. The 4-column method, with its emphasis on clarity and conscious decision-making, empowers you with the tools and the perspective to build that enduring foundation, 1 month, 1 decision, and 1 step at a time. So here's my sincere challenge to you, starting today. Don't get caught up in the endless cycle of downloading another complex budgeting app that you will abandon in a week. Don't try to create another overly complicated budget that leaves you feeling restricted and defeated. Instead, embrace the elegant simplicity of ancient wisdom. Take a simple piece of paper or open a basic note-taking application on your phone or computer. Draw those 4 powerful columns. Now, here's the crucial part. Look back at your financial activity over the last 30 days, or even just the last week, and diligently fill them in. See your own financial story unfold before your eyes. Confront your truth, without judgment, but with a newfound sense of clarity. Because the very first and arguably most critical step to truly building lasting wealth is not about earning more money, at least not initially. It is about gaining a deep, honest understanding of where your money is currently going. And that, my friends, is the timeless, profoundly simple, and incredibly powerful Chinese rule that has built wealth for generations and can now do the same for you. Start today and watch your financial future transform. Thank you for watching.